Hey y'all, it's Marissa. I am back. I know it has been a while, but I am back. And I have no life update or anything. I'm just back to do YouTube videos. We will be discussing all things fitness, lifestyle, healthy living, self-care. Those are the topics we will be discussing. So, since the last time I talked to you, I'll give you one update. Since the last time I saw you guys here on YouTube, on this channel anyway, I did not have any sister locks. So, the one update I have for you that I did to make my life simpler, save me some time, and save some money, I got sister locks. And these sister locks are 10.5 months old. I had my install June 23rd of 2021. I have been loving them. It is the best hair decision I have ever made. So one tip I'll share today, if you want to save time, save money, find a hairstyle that will save you money. All I can say is this is the one that works for me. Now, the initial investment was very expensive, but in terms of buying products, every 2-week appointments, and saving time, anywhere from 1 to 3 hours a week, 20 minutes in the morning, or however much time I would spend doing my hair in the morning. All I do is get up, take my cap off, shake, and go. So this is one of the best hair decisions ever. So the only con, if I can think of any, is it is commitment. Every 6 weeks I go and get a retie. I'm sure you probably have seen hundreds of videos on YouTube on sister locks, and I can't help but I have hands in the hair syndrome. I'm always playing in my babies. So that's the only con. It is commitment. You have to go every 6 weeks, at least I do, and get my hair retied. And I've heard a lot of people say that their appointments are anywhere from 4 to 7 or 8 hours, I guess. But I will say the first couple appointments I had, my first few reties was about 4 to 4.5, maybe 5 hours sometimes. But she is really doing my reties in like record time. My reties, like as a matter of fact, I got a retie today. I got there at 6 a.m. and I was done by 9. So I've been getting my locks done in like 2.5 to 3 hours. Because the very last visit I had, I went in at 6 and I was done like 8:40. So anyway, that is the only con that I can say, if one, is every 6 week commitment, and depending upon your loctician, the prices vary. So anyway, that's one life update I have for you, is that I got sister locks. I am still on my fitness journey. Is it perfect? Am I still working on it? Absolutely. So more on that in upcoming videos. So I can't wait to get back into this. I am excited. I have a lot of things planned as far as fitness, as far as meal preps, tips, exercises. Anyway, we just got stuff planned. So I cannot wait to get back in and start hanging out with you guys. If there's anything specific that you would like to talk about, just let me know. I'll just tell you a little bit about, yes, it's going to be fitness, nutrition, things like that. But I am a postmenopausal woman. And of course, weight loss is harder during those times. So my fitness tips and nutrition is going to be geared toward that, because after you hit the big M in life, it is a little more difficult to lose weight, but not impossible. And so I'm going to share that journey with you in some upcoming videos. So until then, you guys take care, be blessed, and we'll talk soon. Bye.